Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher.
What happened Monami? Something is wrong?
Yes miss. Miss, I was having an ice cream when I ran into my friend Millie and I dropped my ice cream on her favorite pink dress. And she started screaming, ee, 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 and ran away.
Oh dear. So we can do one thing. Let us invite Millie for an ice cream party after this class. And you can then say sorry to her.
Yes, miss.
Okay. So let's start our class. Say hello to your friends.
Hello, friends.
Get ready to learn about the 26 letters in the English alphabet. Today we will learn about letter I. So let's start. This is an uppercase I. What is this, Monami?
This is an uppercase I.
Yes. And this is a lowercase I. What is this, Monami?
This is a lowercase I.
As you know children, every letter has a different sound. Letter I is a vowel and it has two sounds. To make you understand it better, here is a story of Ivy the giant iguana. Ivy the big iguana was playing in the garden. All of a sudden, she heard one faint sound, ee, 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 ee. When Ivy moved towards that sound, she saw an inchworm entangled in a cobweb. She was crying for help. Ivy went to that tree and very gently untwined the inchworm from the web and carefully placed it on a fresh green leaf. The big iguana introduced herself. I am Ivy. Inchworm was relieved and happy and said, Ivy, thank you so much. And thus they became good friends.
E, e.
Yes. When you dropped that ice cream on Millie's pink dress, Millie started screaming, ee, ee, ee.
Yes, miss.
Yes, that is the short sound of letter I. So today we will learn about the sounds of letter I. Now let us sing about this short sound of letter I. Are you ready?
Yes, miss.
Okay. I is a vowel, it has two sounds. 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 Let us say the short sound E, 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 E.
Let us say the short sound E, 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 E.
E as an infant, E as an ink pot, E as an igloo.
E as an infant, E as an ink pot, E as an igloo.
Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. I is a vowel, it has two sounds. 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 Let us say the long sound I. I.
Let us say the long sound I.
I as in ice cream. I as in iron. I as in island.
I as in ice cream. I as in iron. I as in island.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
Now let us revise. I is a vowel and it has
two sounds. E, the short sound. I, the long sound. E as in iguana and I as in ivy.
good. So, want to say something to your friends?
Yes. Please do not forget to share, subscribe and like our channel.
Yes. So now, you can call your friend Millie for ice cream party.
Yes, miss.
So let us say bye to your friend.
Bye.
Bye children.